Welcome to the Built Environment channel. Today's video we are talking about how to check the master plan of your plot, or maybe the plot that you are planning to buy in Rwanda. If you are planning to invest in Rwanda, wherever you are in the world, you can check the plot that you want to develop. Note that you are advised to consult a certified professional in the construction industry, as you may not be able to understand the technical terms or regulations regarding your plot. You can access the website via kigalicity.gov.rwa. Then scroll down to find useful links and click on the web GIS. Another option, you can go to the browser and type www.masterplan2013.kigali-city.gov.rw. If this is your first time to open this website, you will need to install the software named Silverlight. To install the Silverlight, it's easy. Click Now to install and follow the steps. When installation is complete, just click Close and also close the browser. It might be better to click Refresh on desktop, and also you can now reopen the browser to enter www.masterplan2013.kigalicity.gov.rw. So now you can enter the details of the parcel. You just have to select the parcel ID and select the district, the sector, and the cell. Then you enter your parcel number. When you enter the parcel number, they offer you parcels available in your cell and select yours from among them. When it happens that you can't find your parcel number, you enter the old parcel number, because they may be subdivided the land and you get a brand new parcel number which is not updated yet in the system. You can now see the parcel with an overlay layer which has different colors that refer to the type of the zoning. When the zoning overlay layer disappears, you can go to the layer and turn off the parcels. Then the zoning layer appears clearly. Then click on the identification and click in the parcel. You will get the zoning details of the parcel. After checking the parcel details and the type of the zoning, you can now click on the zone link. You will receive the zoning guidelines and go through all the regulations regarding the zoning of your parcel. Here you can see all the conditions to be met to obtain the building permitting. Note that you are advised to consult a certified professional in the construction industry, as you may not be able to understand the technical terms or regulations regarding your plot. If you haven't visited the plot yet, you can check if the plot is flat or has a slope on the system, and you can also estimate the percentage of the slope. You can also check if the parcel falls under a wetland, and so on. These are basic skills that you can learn now. The rest you can do research over time as you visit the system. Thank you very much for watching. Also, welcome to watch other uploaded videos. Please support our channel by just clicking the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.